Hola, what's up? ¿Qué onda? What's Gucci? Welcome back to my canal. Yo soy la imbeemoney. Oh my god, I'm hella escupiendo. But today I'm bringing you a hair tutorial. Es un faux hawk. Es un hawk de mentiritas. So if you guys want to see how I did this, please keep watching. First of all, you're going to need some hairspray. I'm going to use the Ouidad. You're going to use a little bit of water. I got this from Amazon. A little bit of gel. I just have this eco style from the beauty supply store. It just holds my baby hairs in place in my hair. Un brush. Oh my god, this brush is hella messed up. Don't laugh at it. Some liguitas like this. I usually use the Kitsch, pero ya no tengo. So we're gonna use these ones, a baby hair brush, and I think that's it. So let's get started. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm gonna put on. Que mensa. I'm gonna do a faux hawk for you guys. It's one of my favorite go-to looks. It's so easy to do. My hair is clean. I usually like to do faux hawks when my hair is dirty. So it's so easy. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit with the water. I like this because look, you hold it and it keeps going. Isn't it cool? So when I'm wetting my curly hair, it's just comes in handy. So I'm just gonna make sure I hit these corners really good because this has to be slick up. So we don't want it to be hella not cute. Oh my god, I'm over here spraying in front of my computer. Wow. So I'm just gonna make sure I slick these right quick. I just want to prep the hair because everything's gonna go up. So you want to make sure that everything's going to be ready. So I don't know if I'm going to start with gel. Yeah, I'll grab a little bit of gel. I'm going to take my rings off because I don't want them to get messed up. So I grab about that much and I'm just going to kind of put it in my hair. That's why I like doing this when my hair is dirty because I put a lot of product in here. So if you have clean hair, it's going to be jacked up if you're trying to do it again. Okay. So I feel like that's good. Oh, I have a pillow right here. Don't mind my black lipstick in the inside. I was eating and drinking and se me quitó poquito. Alright, so we're going to start off with maybe about right here. This is going to be like the crown of your mohawk. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You just got to make sure you have enough to grab. Okay, and then I'm just gonna slick that up with my brush. I want it to be nice and neat because that's gonna be the front thing of your hair. And I'm gonna spray a little bit of hairspray like so. So it's okay if you grab more hair, it's fine. No se preocupen. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ew, what is this white dot? Guacatelas. So we're gonna grab it like that. It's like you're going to do a ponytail. You're going to do one, maybe two. Hopefully it doesn't pop. Oh my god, that's the worst thing ever. And then we're just going to loop it like this. Do you see? And we're going to just make a chonguito. Like so. Like that. So now, okay, this is it. I'm just kidding. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to grab the sides right here. So maybe, I like to do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, for like 5 bolitas. We're going to do that. And then we're going to grab another one. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're all just going to slick it. So I'm going to back up to put hairspray because I don't want to get it all in my makeup. And I'm going to use that brush and slick it like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Boom, boom, boom. You just got to make sure that it's like nice and slicked. My ears are hot. It's because I'm nervous. Just kidding, I'm not. I'm just talking to my camera and you guys. So you want to make sure that that's slick. There we go. And when you're grabbing the hair, you're grabbing whatever was left over from the first little bolita, okay? Bolitas are going to be these things. I don't know how to say it in English. So I'm going to grab 2 elastics and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull it in like if I was gonna do a ponytail. One more, because I want it to be kind of tight, but not too tight where you can't move it around, you know. And then loop it like so. And this one can be a little bit fluffier because that's the middle part. So you don't want your faux hawk to be like bald in the middle, you know. Sorry, there's like a little white dot here that's bothering me. Did I take it out? Did I take it out, guys? Okay. So see, you're gonna start forming your little faux hawk. And don't worry if these aren't straight. I always go in the back and I slick them down like that. Okay, so then you're gonna continue doing it all the way to the back. Okay, I'll show you one more, just so you guys don't get nervous. So I need a little bit more water here because it's a little bit drier. So I'm just gonna make sure I wet it. I'll probably grab a little bit more gel. Grab maybe like that much. There we go. Make sure you slick it. I'll probably have, yeah, I could do 2 more. Okay. And then I'm gonna grab the hairspray. By the way, this is curly hairspray, but you could use it for all curl types. Just use whatever hairspray you have at home. It doesn't have to be that one. These are just things that I always use, so they're already in my bathroom. See how I'm trying to make all the gallos go? And then one more on this side. I don't know how this side looks. Hopefully not too bad. Let me make sure. Hold on. Oh, I have a big ass gallo. Oh well, we'll fix it later. And then you're gonna grab your 2 elastics. Imagine I had a hole in my shirt. And then I had hairy armpits. I'm done. Oh my god. So we're gonna loop it 1. I'll do it sideways. We'll loop it twice. Can you guys see me? And then I'm gonna, see? I'm gonna go half like that. And then I'm gonna just spread them out like this. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. Cute, huh? So, I have to burp. Because I'm drinking a michelada. These are the ones I brought from Mexico. I recently went to Mexico. I kid you not, I brought so many of them. So I think I'm just gonna do 1 more because I don't think I have any more room. That's fine, I'll just do 1 more. So this, I always get little curlies at the back. So I wanna make sure that I put hella hairspray on that part, because I don't want my hairs to just be dangling out, you know? This one is just gonna be a little bit different. This one, I'm gonna make it like if I'm doing a messy bun, because I don't have that much hair back there because I already hooked it to the rest. So I'm gonna grab, yeah, 2 elastics. And this one, I'm just gonna go like this. Like if I'm doing like a messy bun. I'm still gonna loop it, but it could be more messy. I did it, so I'm gonna put hairspray. And then on this side, all over. And I'm just combing up like the direction of the faux hawk. I'm trying to see if I, okay, I have like a gallo right here. Okay, we're gonna work on that. Let me do it with this one. Better? Better. Let's see this side. Right here. It looks like I'm bald right here. Okay, I made myself more bald right here. See, you just gotta play around with it. I think the comb works better. Let's see. Okay, not that bad. Okay, and then I'm just gonna grab like maybe 2 bobby pins. You don't need a whole bunch of them. I'm just gonna try to fluff these out a little. Ooh, I messed it up right there. And then usually right here it kind of separates a little, so I'm just gonna grab a bobby pin and push them together. and then right here, this one. And that's pretty much it. So I go ahead and wet my hands so I could wet my baby pelitos, because you know you want them to be wet but not where you're gonna mess up your makeup, you know. And I'm gonna grab some of that gel and I'm just gonna work it all in my little baby hairs, a little bit up here. And this gel doesn't get like super flaky or anything, that's why I like using it for my baby hairs. And then I'm just gonna comb them like choop choop choop, like that. And then these I like to brush like that and then go like this, and then either I swirl them or I just let them be. I don't care if it's all over my face, I don't mind it at all. I think baby hairs are cute. And I'm gonna put on some hoops, because you know you gotta put some hoops if you're gonna be a rockera. You could put some hoops. My ears are like on fire, for real, for real. Oh my god. Ah, I can't find the little hole. That's what he said. I'm just kidding. So this is the final look. You just gotta play with the baby hairs. If something lifts up, just, you know, press it down with some gel or hairspray, and that's it. A fake faux hawk. You could do it on yourself. You could do it on your little daughters, you know, whenever you're on your little boys who have long hair, whoever. So this concludes my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit the campanita, you know what it do, porque we're just gonna keep on coming with more videos. Okay, bye.